Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome trading day today. You can see my portfolio did not do too badly today, up $133.83 during normal trading hours, representing 0.44% of my overall portfolio. It did kind of pull back a bit, quite a bit actually, in after hours trading, $77.38, representing 0.25% of my overall portfolio. But nonetheless, I was up a bit today. In contrast to three major indices, all three in the red. S&P 500 down 0.18%, the Nasdaq down 0.36%, the Dow 30 down about 9 points or so, 0.04%. And you can see here in my portfolio overview for today, kind of a choppy market. Started up quite a bit here, $120 or so. At one point, getting up to almost $193, $94 or so, before pulling back here in early afternoon trading. At one point, down to only $21.76 up. Before trading up, where are we at? Here or so. Like I said, it's 133.83. It's not going to show me that. Then after I was trading here, pulled back quite a bit actually. So kind of a choppy up and down day. What I thought I'd do today is kind of go through my portfolio. It's been a while since I've done an updated video, so I thought I'd go through and kind of show you guys what my portfolio currently consists of. So having said that, let's go ahead and jump into my portfolio. So up top, I have some ETFs. DTD, Wisdom Tree Total Dividend ETF, up 0.55%. DVY, it's an iShares Dow Jones Select Dividend ETF. That's also up. Below that, I have a ProShares S&P 500 Dividend Aristocrats ETF. Then proceeding next, SCHD, a Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Below that, an SDY, SPDR S&P 500 Dividend ETF. And then rounding up my dividend ETFs, I have a VYM Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I just have one share of each of those stocks up top. Below those, I have some healthcare stocks. First, pharmaceutical companies, ABBV, 11 shares of AbbVie, LLY, Eli Lilly and Company. I have 5 shares. Sold off a couple shares the other day. Pfizer, another pharmaceutical company, 85 shares. Portola, my speculative biotech company, a small cap company, PTLA. I have 134 shares of that. Below those stocks, I have some healthcare services companies, Abbott Laboratories, ABT, 46 shares, CAH, Cardinal Health, I have 6 shares of that, and then below that, Johnson & Johnson. So that rounds out my healthcare stocks. Below that, I have some industrials. First, some aerospace stocks, BA, Boeing, below that, LMT, Lockheed Martin. Just got a share of each of those. I have some conglomerates below that. GE, General Electric, 4 shares. 3M, below that, 2 shares. Have one machinery company, Illinois Tool Works. A couple railroad companies below that. CNI, Canadian National Railroad, and UNP, Union Pacific. Below that, I have one stock that I put into a supply company, International Paper, up 0.28%. Below that, I have materials company, Dow Chemical, have 7 shares of that. And then below those market sectors, I have consumer discretionary, automotive companies, Ford, 950, my largest holding in my portfolio, and then GM. Below that, I have what I'm putting in the electronics category, Garmin, 2 shares. Below that, general merchandise, Target, TGT, 1 share. Below that, I have leisure, Hasbro Incorporated, toy company, 1 share. Below that, I have restaurant stocks, 3 McDonald's, and then Yum Brands, and then its spin-off company, Yum Brands China. And then I have some consumer staples companies below that. First, in the agricultural arena, ADM, Archer Daniels Midland. Foodstuffs, I have SYY, Cisco. Below that, I have some household products, CL Colgate. And below that, KMB, Kimberly Clark. Have some packaged goods, Hershey Company, HSY, Kraft Heinz Company, KHC. Below that, some personal products, PG, Procter & Gamble. And then some beverage companies, BUD Anheuser-Busch, KO Coca-Cola, and PEP PepsiCo. Next, I have some financial stocks here. HBAN is for Huntington Band Shares. Actually, I skipped over a stock here. BOFI, Bank of the Internet, and then WFC, Wells Fargo and Company. And you can see how many shares I have of each of those companies. Next, I have some information technology. IBM, 1 share. Apple, AAPL, AMD, and INTC, Intel for semiconductors. Microsoft is on there as well. I have 1 share. Got some telecoms, AT&T, Verizon, VZ, energy companies below that, ExxonMobil, XOM. I also have for electric, CenterPoint Energy, CNP, Consolidated Edison, ED, Southern Energy Company, SO. Below that I have a couple REITs, FRT, Federal Realty Investment Trust, and STAG, Stag Industrial Incorporated. And then I have some closed-end funds on the bottom there, starting with GOF, Guggenheim's Op Fund, PCM Fund, PSEC Prospect Capital, and then PTY, PIMCO Corporation Income Fund, and then 1 bond fund there, BlackRock Core Bond Trust, and then a couple penny stocks on the bottom there, BAC, Bank of American Corp, Interomedics, ETRM, and then Pharmathene, PIP, another play that, again, a very interesting stock here. It's $3.25, but it's got a $2.91 special dividend coming, as you can see in the middle there. So very, very interesting stock. So that's my overall portfolio. I thought I'd just kind of update you guys on what's in my portfolio with this video, update you guys on how my portfolio did today. So hopefully you guys did an equally as well as I did today, even though that all 3 major indices were down a bit, not a lot, but down a bit in the red today. So yeah, I'll kind of end the video here. Just let me know what you guys did today, any major plays, what you guys are going to be doing next week with your portfolio. So with that, I'll kind of end the video here. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. Again, having a ton of fun producing these videos, learning a ton about the market. It's great interacting with you guys. So if you guys have any questions, any inside pointers that you can give to me, any advice, let me know. Always amenable to that, always looking for new perspectives. So let me know. And with that, I'll kind of end the video here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.